Hey there! I hope you watched the previous video on sharing your results and building a group inside the FRS app because today's video builds directly on that one. If not, just pause this video, go on to the last one, and come back to this once you're done. Now that you've got someone to compare inside the app, you can jump into this neat feature called the ranking report. Here, you can see whose motivations in your group most closely align with the world's most successful entrepreneurs and business builders that we studied in our 20 years of research. You can toggle between entrepreneur and business builder and see who has the closest match for each one. Now, I want to show you how you can see your own personal growth over time. So just go to the top right of the app, click on your profile avatar, and head to Me Over Time. You will see a list of your profiles by date. They will automatically be shown in a group view as Me Over Time on the screen. You can also choose to save the group if you wish. We recommend retaking the FRS assessment each year to see how you've grown. If you haven't taken the FRS assessment in a while, just click on the Take a New Assessment. Here, you can easily see how your motivations changed over the past year. This is an especially powerful feature designed to help you crush your goals by helping you visualize your progress if you're actively working to increase or decrease specific motivations, perhaps through our personalized coaching programs. This way, your hard work becomes more tangible, and since what gets measured gets managed, you'll be able to ensure you're always on the right path and can correct your course if you're not. Alright, that's it for today. I really hope you had fun using the ranking report inside FRS. If you have any questions at all, just shoot them over to us at hello@frs.com and we'll help you out straight away. Alright, cheers!